emergencies happen, you need serious backup. The new Schumacher Storm 700 is there for you and your family. Up to 9 hours of home appliance backup time. The Storm 700 can power a refrigerator, sub pump, freezer, fan, TV, lights, and more when you need it most. Since the Storm 700 is battery powered, it is safe for indoor use. No toxic fumes, no loud or annoying noises, just quality power where you need it. The future of backup power is here. The portable, battery-powered, rechargeable Storm 700. Whenever and wherever you need serious backup power, from power outages and emergencies to tailgating and camping, the Storm 700 has your back. The optional Storm 700 1500 accessory cable allows you to add supplementary power, extending the runtime of your backup power unit. With a simple quick connect port, you can be even more prepared when you need it most. The Storm 700 has a built-in 700-watt pure sine wave inverter, 2 120-volt AC household outlets, 2 2.1-amp USB ports for all smart devices, a 12-volt DC outlet, a scrolling digital display, internal battery charger, and a durable metal case. The Storm 700, powered by Schumacher.
Video Shopping Network, an Amazon affiliate. To see this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description below. You'll be able to see current pricing, product reviews, and any special deals. Desktop users should see the Amazon quick link below the video. Mobile users will need to click the little down arrow below the video first.